Hi everyone, welcome back to yet another fun and interesting video. So today's video is all about hairstyles. I know I am not a pro and I'm not into hairstyles at all. You will always see me or my hair like that, like simply open. I'll rather experiment with my outfit, my makeup. I spend hours choosing my outfit or doing the not doing the makeup. I'm quite quick in that, but I spend more time figuring out what I'm gonna wear. But when it comes to hairstyle, I have always been like all my life till now, I have been a lazy child. I'm like, no need. ऐसे ही खुला रख देंगे क्या होता है. But these days I'm quite interested in styling my hairs. I don't know what it is. So I just figured out few hairstyles which I so wanted to share with you guys, because these are quite funky, yet it would make your hair look longer and volumized. So if you want to know how I create those, keep on watching. So I won't waste any more time, and I am not gonna use any hair products. I'm just simply gonna show you the hairstyles. If you want to keep your hair fixed at that place, you can use a fixing spray, but I do not use that. So let's jump into the video. So first I'll start by brushing my hair. I'm brushing my hair very gently, guys. Don't be harsh on your hair. From roots till the tips, brush it really well and make sure there are no tangles. Now I'll be parting my hair. I will do a middle parting. It need not be that clean. Even if it's messy, it doesn't matter. But I'm trying to make it really neat. Okay, now grabbing the left side, grabbing few hair from my left side, I'm trying to make a pony or tie a pony, but I'm leaving few hair just above my ear, and then going to the back, grabbing some hair from the back. But here you can see that I'm leaving a little amount of hair in the middle, like a few from the front I'm grabbing, few from the back, but I'm leaving a little amount in the middle, just so that it doesn't look like a partition. I am taking out few hair from my front, the front locks, which makes the look really attractive. I just tied one ponytail, and then the same I'm gonna do with my right side, which will appear left on the screen. Oh my god, this is so funky and nice. You just can see how the entire look changed with this hairstyle. I'm loving it. It instantly makes your hair look more volumized. If you want, you can also keep this hair in the back of your ear, or if not, then it's fine as well. Now moving on to the second hairstyle, I'm gonna keep the hair same. I'm just gonna use the upper ponytails and then grab it and make a bun out of both of these. Again, I prefer it to be a bit messy. You don't need to make it very clean. I'm using bobby pins here. You also should use bobby pins. Oh my god. It's such a nice hairstyle, guys. You can see that both the buns are not similar. They are a bit different and messy, which makes it look more good and attractive. It's not necessary to be very neat, guys. So now for the third hairstyle, I need to brush my hairs again as I open my ponytail. So now taking hair from both the side of my head, and I'm making sure that I do not spoil the middle parting. So that's the unique thing about this hairstyle. Make sure the middle parting is still there, and tie a ponytail with half of your hair, and then just adjust the ponytail or the hair as you want. I'm just pulling out few hair to give it a puffy and messy look. Now the main part comes here. As you can see, I have just pulled the pony high up, and then just with the help of a bobby pin, I'll be pinning this hair in front, but don't do it like that or else the bobby pin would be visible. So how you gonna do it is leave some hair in front and then some in the back, and then in the middle just insert the bobby pin inside so that it's not visible, yet it would not let the hair go away from that area and make it look really high volumized. Oh my god, just look at this hairstyle, guys. It's so pretty and the middle parting makes it unique. So now that's all about this video, guys. I shared 3 hairstyles with you and these are all funky yet sexy hairstyles. I am in love with all these hairstyles. If you want, you can also curl your hairs, like loose soft curls, to give it more volume. If you like this video, hit on that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also click on that bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And that's all. Stay positive, stay healthy. Bye.